Lost important data due to device crash. Accidentally formatted your phone while resetting it. After data loss due to accidental deletion or other reasons. Everyone wants to recover the deleted data quickly. So, how do you recover permanently deleted data from an Android phone? Actually, you only need to use some professional Android data recovery tools to recover those lost files or data. Today, I will share the best Android data recovery software you can use to recover precious files. iMobie Droidkit is a complete solution for Android phone rescue. It allows you to quickly restore deleted WhatsApp messages, photos, contacts, and more to your phone or computer via recover lost data without requiring any root access. iMobie Droidkit also allows you to recover your Google account and SIM card when your phone screen is black or cannot be turned on. Furthermore, you can recover deleted photos, videos, music, apps, and more from your SD card, even if the SD card has been formatted. Here are some simple steps for you to recover data from any situation. Firstly, free download and launch Droidkit. Click Data Recovery and choose Quick Recovery from Device. Here you can see other options, including Deep Recovery from Device, WhatsApp Recovery, and Data Recover from SD card. Then connect your device with computer. Now select the data type you need to recover and continue. Next, you can preview all your data, including deleted files. Then select the specific ones or select all. Then click to Device or to PC. Now, you can get the latest version of Droidkit and select one specific function to help you according to your needs. Or you can get a full toolkit to retrieve any data on your device. You can click the link in the description to get the official version. You may also see some free cracked versions of iMobie Droidkit or iMobie Droidkit codes online, but I would not recommend anyone to try them. Cracked software may steal your personal information or even damage your device. In addition, iMobie Droidkit free code may not be updated with new features or security patches, which means that the cracked version is unstable. The 3-month license for the data recovery plan starts at $39.99. If you frequently experience data loss on your mobile phone, I recommend purchasing the one-time purchase plan for $59.99, which can be used on up to 5 devices. This will solve all your data recovery problems and ensure you never have to worry about data loss again. Want to recover your data in minutes? Download iMobie Droidkit now and follow our step-by-step guide. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.